Hello everybody. Now that the war has started in Ukraine, let's have a look what's going on in the markets. So first of all, silver versus euro. So we had this compression pattern here, and it looks like, so this is the weekly chart, and the last high we had 22.35, and we are now 22.40. So we did break out above the last high we had. So overall, and this is nicely going towards the target. So the target of this pattern would be 29.08. So also let's see the volume. So we can see in this week and last week we had a big intake of volume. So this is a really bullish sign. Then gold. Also here compression pattern, and here our target will be in the $2,100 region. So this one is also going nice. So the last and the second last high has been taken out already, and now we're on our way to this first high of the compression pattern. So this one is at 1,959.5 almost. The S&P 500, of course, this one is tanking. So here we have the value area high, which we let's go to the daily. I believe it was today we did break it. Yes. So here the white dotted line is broken. For now, we did find support at the bottom of this range, which I've marked in red. So let's see when the American Stock Exchange will open, because I think a lot of people will dump their shares. So yeah, I wouldn't trust this little bounce too much. Probably we will go lower during the day. Yeah, so for now also here, not much bullish sentiment, it seems. Volume's getting less, it seems. But yeah, we're gonna have to see when the Americans are waking up. Yeah, let's just go down the list. So now we're at crypto. So Bitcoin here still going down. Still looking more at this region for a bounce. So we still have a long way to go. But for now, we didn't take out the previous lows. So also today, a bit of a bounce. It looks like it's following the S&P 500. So yeah, also here we're gonna have to wait what will happen when the Americans are starting to trade. Bitcoin dominance not really. Well, it's coming up, so it looks like people prefer to go to Bitcoin rather than altcoins for the moment. I think that makes sense. Total market cap doesn't look so good. So here we have the weekly support. We just broke it. So yeah, Dash. So the previous trade there got stopped out. So what am I looking for now? So here we have the point of control from this whole uptrend from here. Oh, it's actually from the low from 2020 till the high in May of last year. So the point of control is at 71.35. So that means most of the people have been buying there. So we're gonna have to wait and see whether they are willing to buy there again, and this would become support. Ethereum also not looking so good. Point of control here 2130. We also have this range in green. Is it the range or is it the pivot? Let's see. Oh, this is the yearly. No. Okay, so yeah, it's a range. Weekly range. Okay. So Ethereum, Bitcoin, there it looks like we are in a channel, and it looks like we're going to test the bottom again. If we find support here, then the target would be first of all the mid of the channel, and then who knows, maybe all-time highs. But in that case, the cryptocurrencies have to start acting like gold. The question is, will it happen or not? It's to be seen. I think it's up to Wall Street to decide about that. XRP, so I'm still in a long position, underwater, but it still didn't take out those lows, so for now it's fine. Forex, also here a compression pattern, so slightly in profit. So, but this is a long-term play. DXY still holding the green support line. For the stocks, Alibaba yesterday did not take out the low from the 3rd of December, but probably today we will break it, and that will be it. Then stop loss will be hit and it's game over. So, and as I said, yeah, so the S&P 500 divided by gold, yeah, this is clearly now a gold play. This is the place where you have to be. Short the S&P 500, long gold. So yeah, we're clearly coming down. Let's maybe zoom out to the monthly just to see where we are. So we just started our downtrend. The same for silver. This is the S&P 500 divided by silver. So also we had this support zone, which became resistance and is now acting as resistance again. So also here you're better off in silver than in the S&P 500. Then the trade I recently took is Deutsche Bank, and let's take the harmonic patterns. And I believe this was on the weekly chart. Yeah, so we have this crab pattern. I'll mark this one out. So this is the pattern, and then let's go for the profit levels. So take profit 1 would be at 13.74 and take profit 2 at 10.6. And then, so that was on the American Stock Exchange. This is on the European one. The pattern is a bit a different one, because here we have a deep crab. And then, or it can also be a cipher. So let's mark on both of them. So crab. And then the cipher. And let's mark this one like this. So both patterns have the 0.618. So there's a high confluence there. And look, we already reached this level. Let's have a look on the daily. Oh yeah, we gapped down. So exactly at the 0.618. So this is already a take profit 1 for me. And then take profit 2 will be here at 9.26. Hang Seng Index, minus 3.3. So we did jump out of this downtrend, and then on the 22nd we did come back into this channel, let's say. Yesterday we tried to pop up, found resistance, and today all the way down. Johnson & Johnson, here the same. Coming down, lost the weekly support, will be resistance, and since it's biotech, I think today this one will dump quite a bit. So also here in green you can see this is the volume weighted average price since the low of October in 2020. We're below it, so this will become resistance now. LQD, of course, high yielding debt, stay out of it. This is clearly coming down, so it looks like this first harmonic pattern will play out. We're gonna have to see whether the second one will play out, and I think it will be if this becomes a major crisis. GDX, quite an interesting one because we formed a triple bottom. So 1, 2, 3, and now we're good to go. Yeah, this is one. If you follow Steven Van Meter on YouTube, he was always calling with his algos that this gold would dump, gold miners would dump to stay out of it. So yeah, it's clear that it didn't work out the way he was predicting it. So yeah, be careful when you follow his signals. Excelsior Mining. So here, a bit underwater. Let's see what will happen today, since gold is rallying a lot. Moderna. Yeah, also nothing special. We're still waiting for this harmonic pattern to complete. And then maybe we can go into a long position. But I'm not so sure about that anymore. I think it will be too soon. Nvidia. So here take profit 1 got hit. And okay, no, we're not stopped out yet. Yeah, Pfizer here. I was waiting for this gap to be filled, but it didn't happen. So yeah, also today I might expect that it will dump lower. Will be a missed opportunity, but okay, that's what happens in life. So this one we can also remove. So here's a gap just below. So maybe, most probably this one will get filled. Boston Beer Company, this one we can remove. This one, there I got stopped out, so we can delete everything and remove it from the lists. China, minus 1.7. Also here, from this Gartley pattern, take profit 1, and then we're coming down. This is a new one, Wheaton Precious Metals. This one is interesting because we are forming a compression pattern. I believe it's more clear on the weekly. So we have here the stop from August 2020. we're coming down, we're coming up here to the golden zone. Remove this one. Then when you take the golden zone from this low to this high, which is this one, so we did reach it, we did go even lower. So this one can be removed. Then you take again the golden zone from this high to this low. We reached it, found resistance. Now you do the same for the downside. Again, we went through it, so that's fine. But we are making lower highs and higher lows, so this is the pattern. And then we go all the way up. So then for this one, I go from the high to the low to the high, and then compression targets. So the 0.618 is at 63.34. That's what we are aiming for. And let's see, a long position. If we go into a long position today, you put your stop loss there below this last low, and then you go here. You still have a 3.3 risk to reward ratio, so this is fine. Just unfortunately 13% to the downside, so you have to set your position sizing accordingly. So this is one to watch. And this is a gold miner, so with gold doing so well, this would be very likely to hit the targets. So 10-year yield and 30-year yield, both are coming down for the moment, so minus 3%. So that means that investors are looking for safety and they are buying US bonds. So interest rates are coming down. So this one you can play out via TLT. So here it looks like we have a double bottom and we will go up. Because TLT does the opposite of what the treasuries are doing. So when the interest rates are coming down, TLT will come up. So this is an interesting one to play out as well, now that we have a fear trade. Look, on the weekly we are forming. This is nice. So today I most probably will take an entry for this one. So shark or cipher. Cipher, and then the shark targets. And there's one overlapping one, which is the 0.382. So this is definitely, let's mark this one. Where's the pen? There we go. So this is definitely the one to watch. Definitely take profit 1, take profit 2. And if it is indeed a shark pattern, then we have this high here as a take profit 3. Yeah, and then crude oil, plus 6% today. Very nice, very nice. We're forming this crab pattern now. Let's take the turtle strategy. Let's check the values. Yeah, they're not the correct ones, so Oh, they are. 18.12.5. Okay. So what did we have? Here we got an exit signal on the 16th of August. And then we got again buy signal over here. 2 days later, another buy signal coming down. Got an exit signal. Then we were bouncing up. One, 2, 3. But this doesn't make sense. Let's double check. Because this is how it's supposed to look like. So where is the difference? 218, 1812. Oh, I'm on the weekly chart. Okay, sorry. Daily. Yes, this is what I'm looking for. So we got the exit signal on the 3rd of November. And then we got the buy signal on the 27th of December. And then a second buy signal on the 6th of January. Third on the 14th of January. 26th of January, the next one. And then the 4th of February. So with this turtle strategy, we've actually been buying this whole uptrend. So for the moment, as you can see here, the blue line is the exit, so which is currently around 90 and a half, 90.6. So, but yeah, this harmonic pattern on the weekly is definitely one to watch because this is getting really overstretched. So we might definitely get a very nasty pullback, because also we are entering this red zone, and as you can see from the past, this was a high resistance zone. So we might easily reject from here. So now we're testing the bottom region of this previous range. So, and the all-time high on this chart was almost $150. So yeah, this region is definitely now something to watch. It can never harm to take some small profits already. And like I said, for me, or at least for the algo, the line in the sand was how much was it again? So yeah, the 90.5 region. All right, good. That's the quick overview of the markets. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.